Once a business has been registered, the FASSTA Connect dashboard provides users with an overview of their current billing period and required actions. The business name is displayed in the top left corner of the dashboard. If you have registered multiple businesses in FASSTA Connect, you can easily switch between them by selecting Switch Company. Keep track of your remaining credits and renewal date, highlighted here. This number is also recorded at the top of the screen for quick access from other pages. The top row of statistics will highlight the actions you have taken in the current billing period. Documents extracted refers to the number of successfully processed invoices, orders, and other documents. Files received counts the number of files imported into FASSTA Connect. New contacts are new customers or suppliers entered into the system. When you first log into your new FASSTA Connect dashboard, there are a few steps needed to finish setting up your account. Setting up a unique email address allows staff, customers, or suppliers to send documents directly into the system. Your next step is to upload your first documents. Click the Upload Documents button, dragging and dropping your files onto the page. When unrecognized documents are uploaded, further setup may be required to automate the process. If setup is required, these files will display on the dashboard as items requiring action. Your final steps will be connecting your selected modules, allowing FASSTA Connect to automatically integrate your extracted data into those systems. The graph displays a record of the status of all files imported in the past 14 days. Upload documents, track their status, and action tasks, all through your FASSTA Connect dashboard.